Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's listen and practice more and more for better result.
Good manners. Good manners are the surest way to be a likable person, and good manners can be acquired at any age. The important thing is to have a strong will to change bad manners into good manners, because good morals are good behavior that you do in all your dealings. We learn good manners from a young age, where our parents implant these morals in us, then our culture increases little by little, and we learn a lot of customs and traditions, and we choose from them what suits our beliefs, and we leave strange habits that are not in line with our beliefs and culture. Good manners. There is no doubt that when a child is born, he does not perceive anything, as he is like a blank page. Then he acquires morals from his family because they are the ones surrounding him. The child watches, listens, and watches everything that happens around him, and imitates what he sees from the behavior of his parents and siblings. From this it becomes clear that the family is the first to teach the child morals, and it may teach him good manners, or teach him bad manners. Therefore, when parents complain that their children have bad behavior, the reason for this is the behavior of adults themselves. If adults adjust their behavior for the better, they will find that their children's behavior will also improve. Good manners are what distinguishes man from other creatures. There is no doubt that good manners are what distinguishes man from other creatures, so we call a person who does not have good morals the word monster. One of the most important qualities that characterizes a person is compassion. Compassion is a commendable character that we must practice in all circumstances, whether in our normal daily lives, or in a state of war. Compassion is a great human behavior. Also, honesty indicates that a person has good manners, and there are many qualities, all of which are good, and indicate that a person is of good manners. The importance of good manners for an individual. Good manners are of great importance in the life of the individual, as they are the only means that make him be loved by others. As for the person with bad manners, he is an outcast person, who is not liked by others, and they do not want to deal with him. Also, good manners make you work in a team easily, and this saves you a lot of effort and time and gives you many job opportunities. There is no doubt that man is a social being, who needs to be an acceptable person in his society, and this will only happen if he is of good manners, and he can deal with others with respect and appreciation. One of the most important benefits that accrue to the individual when his morals are good, is that he is not subjected to punishment, because a person with good morals will not commit any crimes and will not violate the laws. Good manners help you succeed in your studies, in your work, and in your social relationships. The importance of good manners to society. The lack of crime is one of the most prominent characteristics of society when its citizens are characterized by good manners, and this is a great advantage for following good morals, and citizens must be encouraged to do so, and punish every person who does bad manners that harms others. Good manners encourage cooperation between individuals, and thus less effort and time spent by the individual and improve the results. Spreading love among members of society, because good manners bring points of view closer and eliminate differences, or make you find a solution to problems easily. Among the importance of good manners is also that they elevate and advance society, because everyone works for the interest of society. Good manners make society cohesive, and thus its strength increases, and enemies fear it. Security is provided in the community as a result of citizens having good manners, and this helps investment and increases the national income of the state and improves the economic situation of the individual as well. Good manners and change our behavior for the better. Although we acquire most of our behavior in the early stages of our life, behavior is subject to change, and this is a great characteristic. Where a person can correct his bad behavior and acquire a good manner. The acquisition of good manners does not depend on age or place. You can acquire new characteristics and get yourself used to them at any age. Every day man learns new things, his culture increases and his thinking changes. All this makes it easy to change his behavior and acquire good morals that he did not have before. Change is the norm of life, so you should not be a static person that does not change with circumstances. Of course, there are fixed principles that must be adhered to, but we can change behavior for the better, in a way that does not conflict with values and beliefs. Gain good manners. The best way to acquire good manners is to follow the heavenly religions, because all religions call for good morals and spread goodness among people, and forbid harming others, whether by word or deed. The family and the school are responsible for raising children, instilling good manners in them, and making them good people in order to benefit themselves and their society. The state should also work to spread good manners through various media, such as television, books, magazines, and artistic works such as series, films, and others. Also, some social media has become a dangerous role in spreading bad morals, and therefore there must be monitoring of it by the government, and the development of laws regulating it. Conclusion. At the end of the Good Manners essay we have explained the importance of good manners for both the individual and society, and how we can make them more prevalent in our society, and there is no doubt that the development of a society and its advancement depends on the behavior of its citizens, and their good morals. We hope that you will benefit from the valuable information that I have provided to you in this essay, and we will present several models, a short essay on good manners, a paragraph, and a speech in the morning assembly.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, like, comment and share with your friends.